Happy Vlogmas Day 4, y'all. Woo!
Okay guys, so I have not felt well. So this is Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and this is just a tiny Vlogmas with clips of me opening a few things so that I don't miss out on day 4. I'm determined to do every day, and it is not quite, it's like 11:30 here, I think. So love y'all. I'm going to start with the first one. So today I will be having French vanilla coffee from 12 cups of Joy coffee assortment. Yep, that's what I'm having with the little penguin. Isn't he cute? That's what I'm having today. Okay, I'm going to open number 4. I was not feeling well today, so I'm just going to put some clips together because I don't want to miss out on day 4. So, well, let's see. Can't really see. Let me pull it out. Oh my goodness, sorry. Okay. This was not as, okay, as, I don't know. That was pretty awkward. But, ooh, that's a pretty color. I like that one. That's a, and it is kind of, you can see the, I don't know what you would call the way it reflects, but that's pretty. Let me see if I can pick it up. I'm going to guess it's blood. No, that's not a bloodstone. Maybe a gin. I'm not sure. It's not showing all the colors that I have, so. But I think that's very pretty. And I like the way like that part right there reflects. That's cool. Don't mind my fingernails, y'all. I don't know. Every once in a while, especially in the winter time, ever since I had my surgery, my fingernails just break into pieces. So, yeah, gotta cut them, file them, all that good stuff. Anytime Lucy lets any of us love on her is when she is making out, is what I call it, or making biscuits, or however you want to say it, with my blanket. My Halloween blanket. It used to be another one of my blankets. She got tired of that one. I got this one. It was a fresh one, I guess. So now we make out with this blanket.